This is David with Mason Pro Services, here to talk to you about what we should and should not flush down our toilets, in my opinion. Well, obviously there's a lot of things you shouldn't flush down your toilet, but these are some of the common ones that we find that are flushed down toilets that can cause problems. These are not going to break down like toilet paper will. They might flush down on ABS pipelines, and you might get away with it. You can chance that. They're definitely going to cause problems on cast iron pipes. Cast iron starts to deteriorate and make these claws that will catch definitely wipes and paper towels and anything that's thick. It will catch it, and then it will create what we call a soft stoppage. It will pack that line for a long distance. It could be 20, 30 feet. Then you're going to probably have to have a hydrojetter, which is not a cheap piece of equipment, come to clear your drain line in order to get it back to flow. So yes to toilet paper, but I would say no to anything outside of that. Thank you for your time. Obviously we're going to have a lot of different opinions on this situation, but having been in the industry for as long as I have, we run into these problems on a daily basis, so this would be my recommendation. If you have any questions or need anybody to help you with any of your drain line cleaning or issues, please give us a call.